Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get UI designs into Base44. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take a simple idea, turn it into a detailed prompt, and create an editable, responsive UI inside Base44 using their prompt-driven workflow. This is especially useful if you're trying to quickly transform concepts, wireframes, or design ideas into functional layouts without starting everything from scratch. First, open Base4 in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Home. This brings you to a clean starting point and ensures you're working from the main dashboard. If you've been in another part of the app, this quick reset helps you avoid confusion and makes the next step easy to find. Starting from the main dashboard gives you a clear workspace and helps you follow the creation process step by step. From the home view, click Describe the app. Think of this area as your creative brief in one place. The clearer your description here, the better the starting point Base44 will generate. This prompt area is where you communicate your idea to the AI. You can describe your target audience, the style you want, the sections your website needs, and how you want users to interact with the design. A detailed prompt usually creates a much stronger first version, saving you time during editing. You don't need to overthink formatting. Just write a well-structured prompt that captures the visual style, sections you need, and any interaction notes. In the prompt field, type the following. Build a modern premium SaaS landing page in Base44 with a dark mode glass morphism UI, smooth animations, and a striped linear style. Clean layout include a hero section with CTA buttons, features grid product showcase testimonials, pricing FAQ, and a strong final call to action, fully responsive and production ready. This gives Base44 a strong direction on aesthetics, layout, and content blocks. Instead of generating a random design, you're guiding the system with specific details about the look, structure, and user experience you want. Feel free to fine-tune the adjectives or emphasize what matters most to your brand, but keep the structure intact so the generator knows exactly what to build now. For example, if you're creating a SaaS website, you might highlight words like professional, enterprise-focused, conversion-driven, or minimal. If you're building a creative portfolio, you could focus more on visual storytelling, bold layouts, and unique interactions. Click Send. Base44 will process your prompt and assemble a first pass at the UI. Give it a moment to complete. If it takes a bit, that's normal. It's building multiple sections with animations and responsive behavior. The first generated version is not always the final version, and that's completely normal. Think of it as your design foundation. You can continue improving it until it matches your exact vision. When the preview opens, you'll see a coherent layout with the sections you requested. From here, you can make your edits. Use the editor to refine each section, tighten the hero copy, and adjust button styles, balance the features grid, polish the product showcase, and shape testimonials to match your voice. This editing stage is where you add your personal touch. You can improve the messaging, rearrange sections, update visuals, and make the design better aligned with your brand goals. Fine-tune pricing cards so the hierarchy is clear, and make sure the FAQ reads naturally. A good pricing section should make the differences between plans easy to understand, while a clear FAQ should answer common customer questions before they become obstacles. Explore design tokens to adjust color, spacing and typography, and toggle dark mode to verify contrast. Design tokens help maintain consistency across the entire interface. Instead of changing every element individually, you can update core styles like colors, fonts, and spacing values to keep everything visually connected. Check interactions and animation timing so they feel smooth, but not distracting. Animations should improve the user experience, not take attention away from the content. Simple transitions, hover effects, and smooth scrolling can make a website feel much more professional when used correctly. Replace any placeholder images or icons with assets that fit your brand, and always preview at different breakpoints to confirm the layout stays crisp on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Responsive testing is an important final step because users may access your website from many different devices. A design that looks great on desktop should also remain easy to navigate and visually balanced on smaller screens. Small tweaks to spacing and font sizes can dramatically improve readability and polish. Sometimes the smallest adjustments create the biggest improvement in the overall user experience. That's the complete flow. Home, describe the app, your detailed prompt, send, and then refine in the editor. You're ready to turn ideas into production-ready UI inside Base44. With a strong prompt and thoughtful refinement, you can quickly transform your concepts into professional, responsive designs